Get into a car with value. 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Here's a smooth, well-equipped Nautilus, the midsize two-row luxury crossover that prioritizes passenger comfort and driving pleasure. You'll love its punchy performance and thoughtful use of the latest technology to help you stay connected, focused, and confident so you can make the most of every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, power liftgate. Don't miss the opportunity to experience a new level of comfort and versatility. Get behind the wheel of this luxurious Nautilus. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.